Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video, let's talk about a particular project called Verychat. And this particular video, I'll be talking about Verychat KYC and a lot of misconception on that particular project and the latest information that they recently, which a lot of individual who are actually mining this particular project might not actually be aware about. All of this is what I'll be sharing in this particular video. And I have one important thing that I want to share with you, which you just need to utilize if you're mining particular for you to boost your mining process. That means if you're able to watch particular video to the very end. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified to upload any other new video. And for to start this particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. And also, if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. The link will be available in the description of this particular video. So if you watch particular project now, I know your eyes must have been gazing at this 34,740 because if you look my previous video, I wasn't having up to this particular amount because I shared a lot of information about the Verychat tree mining that we are actually doing in the Telegram app. A lot of people were not actually consistent or was not serious, and I was able to get a handful amount of Verychat, which was even far more than what I've actually mined on my mining app that I've actually been mining for a couple of some months. So, and also in my community members, some also were able to get some good amount of very chat from that, which also I'll be showing you in this particular video. So that was what actually skyrocketed my very chat to this particular very amount that you have seen. I'm dropping my other videos and also in the comments of this particular video on how to utilize your boost, your rain, your lucky bot, because with this lucky bot you can be as lucky to even get a node. Just have to always do it. I don't actually joke with it. You see now that it is. So let me quickly share you something with you now. So this was it. You could see very coin tree. So the campaign has officially ended. It ended in the month of I think last month. So very coin tree service period and the very chat account linking windows has been closed. Thank you for everyone who participated. And you can see your very allocation was 17,052. A lot of people that have been mining on Verychat for past 5 months now have not even gotten up to this 70,000. And this I was able to get it within the space of I think 3 months for just being consistent in it. So that is what I was able to get. So this was actually transferred to my Verycoin app, which I'll be sharing with you now. So immediately after that, then I received a notification, which was your very coin tree has been distributed. You say your very coin tree has been distributed. Hello, crypto 01. Your very coin earned from Telegram mini game very coin tree has been successfully distributed. Your distribution. So distribution was actually sent to my very coin app because I actually link it, which I will show you. So now you could see this was my Verycoin app now, and you could see it. It says the information here say Verycoin tree 17,052 Verychat was sent to me, which was what skyrocketed my Verychat token to around 34,146, and I've actually increased it now because I'm close to hitting my 35,000 as at the time of creating this particular video. So let me quickly show you something about this very chart KYC which you need to know. So today being May 28th, this was what was sent from the very chat team about KYC. KYC clarification and migration rumor. There has been a lot of rumor. So look at what they actually say here. You say what is not happening right now. You say there is currently no KYC or migration process underway for app mining. App mining KYC is different from Node KYC. This say 30 days mine, 1,000 very mine, 7 friends invite. None of these grant you KYC access right now. Get to know that also. App very KYC is simply not in process for now for anyone. So it's not even in process for anyone. And right now we should check what is happening. It says some users completing KYC right now are nodes holders. That is those who are able to get their node are getting KYC'd, not the app KYC, but for KYC for node, so that they'll be able to claim their reward and transfer and receive Verychat. They say this is required to claim node mining reward. So node KYC does not cover app mining reward. That is another thing. App mining reward cannot be migrated through this process. Yes, that you have done your node KYC doesn't mean that you'll be able to migrate your mined Verychat. No, they are two different things. So and they say node KYC and app KYC are separate process. Even user who have completed node KYC may need to go through app KYC separately when the time comes. So those of us, like including me, have actually done my node KYC, or I sadly need to do the app KYC when it is available. So they say what is coming. This is where we say app mining KYC is planned for June, likely in the last week of June, subject to development schedule. Condition will apply, but if you have been mining consistently, look at that statement, consistently, there is nothing to worry about. Detailed schedule and update will be shared through upcoming announcements. So please be patient. We know waiting isn't easy. Thank you for your patience. So if you are mining and being consistent, you need nothing to worry about. But if you have not been consistent, you have everything to worry about. So this is what I have for you in this particular video about Verychat and the upcoming KYC. So if this was helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notifications to get notified to upload another new video. Thank you and bye bye for now.